It only takes 1 minute to make this much money. Yes, you read that correctly. For every 60 seconds, you can make that amount of money over and over again. Take a look at these payment proofs that have been deposited directly into one's PayPal account. Wouldn't you like something like this for yourself? Now, what I have in store for you in this video is completely new. It's so unique that few people are aware of the existence of this new way to make money online. There are many gatekeepers out there who are trying to keep this whole thing hidden for themselves and their own selfish interests. But my goal for today's video is to assist you in getting results and making your first few $100s online. I'll let you in on a little secret. There's a lot of money to be made here. The sky is unquestionably the limit. Consider the financial and geographical freedom that you could achieve. Once you've mastered this, you might already be able to pay off some debt. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you every detail. Everything is completely free and requires no investment. This is available to you no matter where you are in the world. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? First and foremost, I want you to go to youtube.com and search for motivational videos. From there, you'll see a slew of results posted by others that have received millions of views. However, before you jump to any conclusions, let me just say that you will not be required to create your own videos here. This method does not require the use of a camera or a YouTube channel, but I do want to share with you a well-kept secret for making money from other people's YouTube videos. Take a look at this right here. As you can see, this is one of the motivational video results, and it has millions of views now. It has received millions of additional views. There are simply a large number of people looking for this type of content and videos. So now I want you to select 3 videos from the search results. That concludes step 1. For step 2, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's return to the video. Step 2 is to go to uhihi.io on this website. You can earn PayPal money and get paid every time someone clicks on your unique link. The concept is actually quite simple. All you have to do is sign up for a free account on the website. Then all you have to do is shorten your link, which I'll show you exactly how to do in a second. So if you have a shortened link and get people to click on it, you will be paid in PayPal money. Every day, people from all over the world are paid in real money in this manner. You are paid per click, and the amount of money you receive varies depending on who clicks on your link. When people from the United Kingdom, for example, if people from Norway click on your link, you'll get paid $7, and if people from other countries click on your link, you'll get paid $5. You can view all of the different rates right on their website. Let me go over it once more. They all work on the same principle. Shorten your link, get people to click on it, and you can get paid again and again. That is our plan. Find 3 different videos on YouTube. We'll simply click the share button and copy the video link. But instead of sharing this YouTube link, we'll go to uhihi.io to shorten it. Remember what I said about earning money from people who click on this link. The question now is, how do you get people to click on your link? And, perhaps more importantly, how do you attract visitors and traffic? Now we've reached a snag. How do you persuade people to click on your shortened URL? Here's where I come in. I've written this copy and paste script for you, and you can use it whenever you need to persuade people to click on the link you sent them. This script's title is Motivate Yourself Like Never Before. And you can read the entire script right here. You can simply copy and paste it, and then enter and insert your link into this column as shown here. Simply copy and highlight the entire script. Let me now demonstrate how to create a free account. All you have to do is click this button to sign up for free. Then you'll be directed to this page where you can register for free. All you have to do is enter your username, email address, and password. Now, once you've logged into your brand new account, you'll see all of this, and you'll be shown your stats over here. Every day, you can see how many clicks you're getting and how much money you're making. Of course, if you're logging into a brand new account, you'll see 0 because you haven't shortened any links or gotten anyone to click on them yet. I'd like to show you this exact example now while using a brand new account, so that if you're watching right now, you can exactly copy everything I'm showing and start earning PayPal money right away. All you have to do now is click on the new shortened link button, which will open up this box as shown here. You're going to return to YouTube at this point. This is the first video I chose, correct? So now all I have to do is click the share button and copy the YouTube URL link. Then I'll return to my dashboard and copy and paste the link right here into this box. I'll just put motivational under alias, then right here. I'll simply press the shorten button, and as you can see, it will simply assist us in shortening this YouTube link. This is a unique hi.io shortened link, and anyone who clicks on it will be directed to YouTube. They'll start watching this video, and you'll get paid per click. Now all you have to do is copy the shortened link right here and return to our copy and paste script. Scroll down and look for this section. The script is then pasted. We'll just have to repeat the process by moving on to the second column and inserting the second link. And we'll repeat the process for the third video. The more links we put up, the more money we'll make with this strategy. When you've arranged all of the links, go to File, then Download, and save this document as a PDF to your computer. So you can start using it and posting it on the last website I'll mention. We've arrived at the final stage. This is the step where you get a lot of people clicking on your shortened link and a lot of free traffic. Simply go to slideshare.net. On this website, people upload various documents and items such as slideshows in order to share various information with others. Here's an example of a document and a slide that people upload to slideshare.net. You can sign up for a free account here. All you have to do is click on the Sign Up button at the top, which will take you to this page where you can sign up for a free account. From there, simply click on the Upload button at the top to be taken to this page where you can upload a file. That is where we will upload the PDF file here on slideshare.net. Slideshare.net receives over 160 million visitors per month. And there are a lot of people who visit this website in order to learn something new. So this is the ideal place for you to share this document for free, where others can read it and gain free value. And if they want to learn more, they can click on your link and begin watching the video you linked them to. It's a win-win situation. You get to share a good video with others while also getting paid per click. That's the end of it. It's been Money Intelligence. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.